touch of the water, the calming waves kiss my feet. The touch from the warm wind that's blowing touch from the wall.